points to remember are that the Oppo A9 2020 and the Oppo A5 2020 share the exact same body and dimensions. So there will be no difference in terms of durability. There is no rubber sealant present on the SIM tray, and the most important thing to note is that the Oppo A9 2020 or the A5 2020 has no official IP certified ingress ratings, so it will be highly dangerous and foolish to submerge it completely underwater. So continuing with the water test and checking for a layer of oleophobic coating as usual. This oleophobic layer helps us users by reducing the amount of fingerprint stains on the Corning tempered glass protection on the display, and its presence is proved when water rolls off in the form of droplets instead of lying flat on the glass surface, as you can see in this scene. Those of you following the channel may remember that the Samsung Galaxy M31 had already started showing signs of liquid damage during this stage itself, and as a result, it turned out to be the shortest water test conducted until now. It is not uncommon that many of these devices with pre-applied plastic screen protectors do not have oleophobic coating on them, since it serves as an effective cost-cutting measure to further maintain the budget pricing of these devices. The good news is that Oppo devices have generally done pretty well in my water tests without any official or even proprietary water resistance provided on their budget devices. So we can hope to expect the same from the Oppo A9 A5 2020. Now if you remember, the Redmi Note 8 had suffered from permanent screen issues during the light splashing round, where only the display had gone blank due to its motherboard getting damaged. Or the Zenfone 5Z, which had suffered from irreversible display damage after undergoing the heavy drenching round. On the other hand, some budget devices with no water resistance, like the A9 or A5 2020, might go through temporary issues like blank screens or screen flicker during any stage of the water test, and mostly recovers within a few hours. Though the most common thing to take place on these non-water resistant budget devices is the distortion of sound and low loudness levels from the external speaker, and this can last for a few seconds or for many hours and may permanently damage the sound on the display unit. But as mentioned earlier, Oppo devices tested on the channel with no water resistance have generally had a good track record as far as temporary issues and permanent damages go. The Oppo A9 2020 or the Oppo A5 2020 has performed up to expectations and has kept up the good record of Oppo. It does not suffer any internal issues or hardware damage to the camera, sound or display unit and passes my water test with ease.